Good morning and welcome to Vlogcember day 10. So I'm definitely going to put myself together a little bit later and wash my hair, do my makeup, but for now I just threw on this cozy zip up and I'm wearing sweatpants and Uggs. I'm very cozy because we are going to Starbucks. It's been closed for a couple of weeks, so haven't been able to get Starbucks. We did get it once in Target, but I really want a hot drink because it is freezing out. So I'm thinking like a caramel brulee latte or something. And yeah, that is the first thing of the day, and then I'm going to cut Scott's hair. Maybe I'll organize some makeup with you guys, and I do need to wrap some more gifts. So off to Starbucks.
We just got Ted a puppuccino. You want it?
Sadie.
My goodness. Is it yummy? Can you stick your nose in there?
Do they always come in this cup?
I think so. Well, it's a holiday one. Is that good? Do you like it?
I'd say so.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, we're back home now. I got my grande caramel brulee latte. Scott also got a drink, but it did not taste good. I feel like he has the worst luck when it comes to Starbucks. It always is not right. It tasted like matcha and he asked for a vanilla latte. So he's not that happy, but I'm gonna drink this. I also got two things in the mail yesterday for my parents for Christmas. So I got my dad this flannel. It's in black plum, and it's like this thick flannel shirt with fleece on the inside. This is gonna be so warm and toasty. So I got him that I need to wrap. And then my mom, she likes LL Bean pajamas, so I got her these in this style plaid. Super cute. So I have to wrap those. I would show you my brother's present too, but I know he watches my videos sometimes, so I don't want to ruin it for him. But yeah, I still need to wrap that stupid thing. What's that? Just slice a knife through it? All right, and I think I'm going to cut Scott's hair in a few minutes. So that is the next step. And then, I don't know, I will take you guys. This lighting is an actual problem, but I decided to get ready. I wanted to take a photo. Just not having a good photo day. But this, see, look at the sun. The sun, the light, everything's just not working out for me. But the bump is getting pretty large and in charge for 26 weeks. And now Scott is out right now. He's gonna pick up some dinner and I am going to start organizing my makeup drawers. I'm getting to the point again where the sun is setting. It's like 1:30, the sun's going down and it like completely drains my motivation. So I'm going to try my best, but I'm going to start decluttering. The sun's like shining on the drawers. You know, that's just my life. I feel like some days I have really good days and I'm really motivated and everything goes so smoothly, and then other days it's like one thing after another. But tomorrow's gonna be really fun because I'm doing a gift exchange with two of my best friends, Michaela and Lindsay. So it's gonna be such a fun vlog for tomorrow, and it's gonna be long, it's gonna be beautiful. But we're not there yet. I'm actually surprised that I've lasted this long consecutive, oh my God, I think I'm having a stroke. Consecutively. I'm surprised I've lasted this long because I feel like I don't usually do Vlogcember like every single day consecutively, but I'm doing it. So let's start on these drawers, and I'll try not to speak that much because clearly I can't. By the way, I used my sugar peppermint scrub this morning in the shower. It was delightful. So I'm so glad that I got that. Okay, let's just, what drawer should I pick? I feel like I want to pick this one because this is the one that's really driving me crazy to begin with. It's lashes and hair stuff and nails. So I'm going to start by taking out the nail stuff. Some of the nail stuff I don't actually like. Alright, let's see. Like, this is old, I think. And look at the box. It has like feathers, like gooey feathers on here. I don't know. I might try and clean the box and maybe I'll just like gift it to someone, but I'm not going to wear those personally. I'm going to get rid of these because I feel like I used all the ones that were my actual size of my nails. So I'm going to toss those. Wow, look at these. These are fun. This actually matches my outfit quite well today. Really pretty. I'll keep these. I don't really love the shape, but I could work with the shape. Look at how pretty that one is. Okay, I'm going to keep that. This, ooh, I did like these, but I used all the ones that were my actual nails, so I'm going to get rid of this. Let's see. I have a lot of these headbands. I should wear them. They're super cute. I just like never do, but that mustard one's so cute. I got these on Amazon. I'm going to just put all of these together. Oh, and I have so many samples. Like, what do you do with all these samples? Ooh, a scalp scrub. I'm going to put this in my shower to try it out from Drunk Elephant. I already know, I haven't used this actually, but I know I like Brazilian Bum Bum. Oh boy. Okay, I'm going to put the sample packets all together and I'm going to take them out of here. Love Olaplex. I have a couple of different Olaplexes. Just take this out for now. Okay, samples of perfume. There's a lot of samples. Sometimes I like samples and sometimes I absolutely hate samples. Oh, Chanel Gabrielle. So good. So good. Okay, I'm just going to quickly like organize this and restructure it because I have a lot of SCENTBIRD and I just need everything to like fit in here a lot better. Right, so I decided to just keep the fragrance and hair products in here aside from those big headbands. So I took out my nail stuff and the headbands and like the samples and I just organized it. I have a lot of SCENTBIRDs, which I'm obsessed, so I'm glad I do, but there's a lot in here. I feel like I almost want to label each one on the outside so I know what the fragrance is instead of just like a guessing game. But yeah, this is what the drawer looks like after. I've got my Olaplex back there, some hair oils. This is a body oil, but oh well, it's fine. So this I'm feeling good about. And then I feel like I should organize my pretty things drawer too, because this is the one where I have more nail stuff and it's just a little bit messy and it's like one of my favorite drawers, but it's super messy. So I think I'm going to do this one next. I'm definitely going to wear a pair of these for tomorrow because they're so natural and wispy and beautiful. So I'm going to wear this for our day. We always take like pictures together. It's like our annual Christmas photo. So I'm going to wear these lashes. I'm going to set these off to the side. More nails. I'm going to take out. I have to figure out a better spot for my nails. These pimple things, let me tell you, I kind of wish I had a pimple. Who says that? But I just want to like test it out, you know? Apparently it worked for Scott. Okay, I'm just going to quickly just, why are these in here? I'm going to put those in there. See how wonky the sun is? It's literally crushing my soul. I'm going to put these are the ones that I'm wearing right now. I love these. Except I'm missing a pinky and I'm so lazy that I haven't put it back on. I don't think these need to stay in their little slots. I was going to wear a red lip tomorrow, but what if I wore, since we're all wearing nude, I was feeling like a red lip. But should I do a red lip or should I do like a bronze lip like this? Like bronze and sparkly? Let me know what you guys think. Red to stand out against the nude or bronze and sultry and sparkly? Because I kind of am feeling that. All right, let's get rid of that. We'll recycle that. I'm just gonna, you know, this drawer is pretty, but it just needs to be a little bit more organized. So I'm just gonna fix this up a bit. This is as good as it's going to get. Everything is so girly and pink, and I'm obsessed. I got this last year. Wow, I can't believe I haven't used this. I got this last year in our gift exchange and I haven't even used it. I didn't even take it out of the packaging because I was like, it's way too pretty to use. But this is a Dream Champagne body oil with tons of glitter. If I take this out, everything's gonna fall. It's fine. Look at this glitter. Should I use this body glitter tomorrow? Like, I want to be so extra and like shimmery and glittery. I love that. Or I could use that gloss and that body. Ooh, I don't know. I'm just thinking. Next, let's do Drunk Elephant. I just want to quickly, this is literally all I have to do. Oh crap, Scott's been using this eye cream. Put it in here. Retinol, haven't used that. Haven't been able to. Just a little organization. It doesn't take much. It just needs a quick little cleanup, you know? Like boom, done. Okay, Scott just got back and he got snacks. Yay! I really wanted these. I actually didn't remember the kind, but I knew they were like a limited edition one. It's xoxo sugar cookie frozen Greek yogurt. I thought they were peppermint for some reason, but is this the only kind they had?
That was it, the holiday one, that's what you said.
Sugar cookie, I bet it's so good.
Something here is very sticky, just so you know. I think it's from the watermelon, maybe.
What? Well, I have it on the new thing. Babe, did you take a look at this watermelon?
Yep, packaged today.
Alright. We got some yogurt, watermelon. I haven't had watermelon since like the summer when I was like super craving it. Goldfish, babe. These are mine? Huh? Oh. And then Sargento, pepper jack, honey roasted peanuts, and raisins. Those are a good snack.
Did you show them my haircut that I did?
I did it.
You helped.
What? Okay, I do Scott's hair every week. He's he needs a haircut every single week. So that's what I've been doing since March.
Actually, every 2 weeks, not every week.
Babe, it was getting to the point where it was every week. It hasn't been this time. But that's a fresh cut. If anyone,
You don't do it. We both do it.
Okay, but I do it pretty well, I think.
You do.
Well, good job.
You too.
Good effort.
Good try.
I couldn't think of anything. I was gonna come back with something. All right, I'm gonna put these in the freezer, in the fridge, and still continue on my organizing. This is the last drawer that I'm going to organize on camera. This smells so good from the Body Shop, but look at it. It's like hardened. It's not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be creamy and rich, and it is hard. So we're gonna toss this. This is going in the trash. I'm gonna keep my Glam Glow. This I'm gonna keep. I have 2 Summer Fridays, but I'm still gonna keep it because I think they're both good. This is pretty old from Dr. Brandt, Pores No More. Get out of here, babe. It was so obvious what you did because my whole body sunk down. We're gonna get rid of this because this is like bottom of the barrel. Get out, you freak. Then I have this water sleeping mask. I'm gonna keep that. Let's see. Is there anything that we can toss? Wait, we're tossing this. Pore Patrol. We're gonna get rid of this. This is old and I think it comes out like really hard. So we're gonna get rid of that one. Brightening mask we can keep. This is so good. Pore extracting mask from Purity. That's a good one. Let's get rid of this. I feel like this is kind of old. And I also feel like it didn't really work. An exfoliating foot mask. Tempting, tempting. Babe, let me put this on your feet.
You want to massage my feet?
Yeah, but you can't move for like 10 minutes. Actually, I don't... Oh, it smells good. But your feet would peel like crazy over the next couple days, though.
No.
You don't like that? Okay. This neck cream. I've had this for so long. And I really do need like a better neck cream. But I'm getting rid of this because I've had it for literally probably over 2 years. So we're going to get rid of that. All right, I'm gonna organize this and see, like I'm gonna get rid of these samples. What are those? See what I can do and just fix this drawer. So this is the after of the drawer. It looks way better. And now I'm just gonna toss those older products. And I think that's all I'm gonna organize for this vlog because I feel like it could get kind of boring. So yeah, this drawer looks a lot better than it did. I feel like I have the same lunch every day, but I'm just having a peanut butter and blueberry jam sandwich, a few almonds, honey roasted, and then an orange and a full thing of water. So I'm just gonna have this. Teddy just ate some lunch. Did you eat? Your face is a little messy. Whoa, don't throw up. Right, it's time for me to end my vlog. I'm just gonna snack on these goldfish and edit it. So I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogcember day 10, and I will see you guys tomorrow.